Hi everyone, I'm Gabby. I'm a fashion director and on Bravo TV's Summer House. Welcome to my home. I think my style is very unique. I have really picked out specific pieces. Most of them are one of a kind. And that all starts right here in my entryway. This runner is one of my more color, more unique pieces. And I wanted to accent something to go along with my mirror, which is very important to have right by the door so you can get a nice fit check and last look at yourself before you leave the house. Closet space is extremely hard to come by in New York City, so you have to be very strategic about how you store things. This is where I keep a lot of my shoes. Not all of them are in here, but a good portion of them are, but this is working for right now. I'm sure some people use this for like linens and things. I don't know her, I don't know them, but bless them. Shoes are the first thing that you take off when you come into my house and the last thing that you want to put on. So having it right by the door is chef's kiss. I know that people say that the kitchen is the heart of the home, but because I don't cook, the living room is the heart of my home. Everything on these shelves tells a story, specifically my story, whether it has my initials on them or not. My favorite gift I've ever gotten, my best friend from college had this needle pointed. It was an insane Facebook message that I sent an ex-college boyfriend of mine, misspellings and all. I was really excited to have a table and chairs where other people can also eat. I love the contrast of color and it's great against the backdrop of the mirror. Now that I'm working from home permanently, I wanted to make sure that the couch that I got was super comfortable and actually not a pain in the ass to sit on. And then my gallery wall, I kind of condensed it to my favorite pieces. There's a lot of my dog, Potter Prescod, who unfortunately passed away a couple of years ago, but it's still art. So I have a lot of family pictures, me and my sister. I'm a huge tennis girly. My dad started training my sister when we were 2 years old. I think it's his biggest regret in life that we're not the next Venus and Serena Williams. I had this old table in my old apartment. I love it and it's super unique, but I wanted to make sure that I had other specialty items. So this is another one-of-a-kind rug that I love. And it matches this console that I have. And it also goes really great with these ottomans. Welcome to my room. This is my office, as you will. I found this desk online, regardless, it was kind of cheap. I hated the handles, so I got these hand-painted specialty custom draw pulls from India. My friend used to run this account called Fashion Week Frog, and it was how we perceive Fashion Week from an editor's point of view. So I picked out my favorite ones and then I had them framed by Framebridge. Getting out of my office and into my bedroom, I wanted nightstands that were a little bit special, and the biggest pull for me were the tassels. I thought that that was such a fun accessory, and I used to have these old lamps in my old apartment, but I got new lampshades to kind of balance the color of the nightstand and also the yellow of the bed, and to bring some like different spice to the space. I have been very spoiled by Summer House, and I always sleep in a king-size bed. If that's with somebody else or by myself, it really doesn't matter. So I had to upgrade my bed to a king-size bed, and it was the best decision I've ever made. And when my sister comes to visit, she won't punch me in the face in her sleep. So there's room for both of us. The most important member of our family was my dog, Potter Prescod, and my sister got me this pillow 4 years ago. And now I sleep with him every night. So I may have 7 pillows and I sleep with all of them, but I absolutely cannot sleep without this one. I think I've shown you guys everything that you need to see. This is my style. I think having something that kind of depicts all of you is important, and you can show that through so many ways, and especially through art. And now I think it's time for you guys to go. See ya.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.